everybody, welcome back to Miss Colburn's PE class. Today we're going to be working on rolling, which will continue from our lesson yesterday, which was on underhand throwing. So the difference between the underhand throw and the roll is you bend your knees. So I have my bowling pins set up. They are vitamin bottles and some water bottles. And as you can see, I have 4 set up in the back, then 3, and then 2, and then the bottle in front, that's the magnesium bottle, and it is probably the smallest bottle. You guys can choose to set up your bottles however you wish. And let's say you don't have 10 bottles to use. That is absolutely fine. I'm going to show you how to set it up so that you have less bottles. So instead of that setup, I could have 3 bottles in back, then 2, and then 1 in front. So then I only have to have 6 bottles. But what if you only have 3 bottles? Well, then all you have to do is have 2 in back and 1 in front. And those are your pins. So we're gonna start with our warm-up now. I'm gonna play a little tag game with Latte. Please feel free to follow along and join in. But today, she's doing a great job. So let's keep moving around. And now we're going to have a little wrestling game. And now we're going to go for a swim. Everybody, let's start with the front crawl. Let's bend those knees, move those hips. Get into that groove. Now let's do backwards. Backstroke, everybody. Bending those knees, moving those hips. Now let's do the butterfly. Get that heart pumping, get those arms moving. Ready to bowl. Keep bending those knees. Now let's do some windmill. Change directions. Change arms. Looking great, everybody. Keep it up. Get that body warmed up. Move those arms. And now let's do some burpees to get that heart pumping. Let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job, everybody. You should be nice and warmed up now. We're gonna go ahead and start bowling. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my pins, show you how to do that. So I take 4 bottles in the back. And again, it does not really matter what the order is. You choose. All right, so now you saw how I set that up. I have my 10 pins. Again, you don't have to use all 10. And now we are going to roll. So when we roll, I'm going to go ahead and start with Latte's tennis ball. She's been holding it so nicely for me. We have our hand behind us that we're going to throw it. We step with our opposite foot. Look at our target. Bend our knees. And release at our chest. And looks like I did not get any pins knocked down. And I'm going to show you that. And Latte very anxiously got the ball back for me. So I'm going to try that again. Hand behind. But she's blocking my pins. Latte, go over here. Looks like I'm going to go ahead and try my bowling ball. So I take my hand behind. Step. Look. Bend. Release. And I got a strike. So now I set my pins back up. So I'm now putting my vitamin bottles in back, my water bottles in front. And now I have a water bottle in front. So here's my new pin course for my bowling. All right, so now I'm going to try with my fitness ball. Let's see how well I can roll with a big ball. So again, hands behind, step, look, bend, look at that target, and release. Those fitness balls have a lot of bounce, so try not to knock anything over. And try to clear everything off so that you don't break anything too. So I knocked down most of them. I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and take my second try because in bowling we get 2 tries. But for PE, if you guys need more, that is absolutely okay because we are practicing to be better. It also improves our eye-hand coordination. So, hand behind, step. I'm going to use 2 hands because it is such a big ball this time. Look, bend, release. And I got a strike again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. Please join me again tomorrow. We will be throwing a frisbee and a football, and we will be learning how to make a frisbee at home. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe, stay sane, and be kind. Have a